Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a rainbow light in Minecraft. This easy method will illuminate your builds with vibrant, changing colors. We will start by gathering all the necessary items, then construct a simple redstone clock. Finally, we will assemble the light itself, bringing a dynamic glow to your world. Get ready to add some serious flair to your creations. To begin, you will need to gather a few key items. Make sure you have at least 6 pieces of redstone dust for all your connections. You will also need 4 redstone repeaters to manage the signal flow and 6 redstone lamps to create the actual light. Don't forget to grab 6 different colors of stained glass panes to achieve that beautiful rainbow effect. These are all easily found or crafted in your game. Now let's build the heart of our rainbow light, the redstone clock. Place 4 redstone repeaters in a square formation, facing each other. Crucially, set each repeater to its maximum, a 4-tick delay, by right-clicking it 3 times. Connect all 4 repeaters with redstone dust to form a continuous loop. Finally, give the circuit a quick on-off pulse with a redstone torch to start the clock's rhythmic signal. With your redstone clock ticking, it's time for the final assembly. Place 6 redstone lamps in a straight line directly above your clock. Connect each of these lamps to the redstone clock using redstone dust, ensuring they all receive the signal. Then, for the stunning visual effect, place 1 stained glass pane of a different color above each lamp. Watch as your creation cycles through a beautiful spectrum of colors, bringing a lively glow to your Minecraft world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.